Hello, I'm Cindy from Skip to My Lou. Today I'm showing you how to turn vacation souvenirs into a work of art with Adobe Photoshop 2018. This video is in partnership with Adobe. We will be using the Photo Text Guided Edit to turn a photo into cool visual text. To begin, open a photo. Select Guided, then Fun Edits. Select Photo Text. This guided photo text edit easily uses a photo to fill a block of text. On the right side, choose Type tool. Click on the photo and begin typing. Highlight the text and in the lower left of the screen, change the font size to 200 point. Click the green check mark to confirm. Click and drag the letters into position. Now we're ready to print. From the drop-down, select Print and choose 8 by 10. Move the type to the top of the screen. This will give you plenty of room to display souvenirs and pictures under the photo text. Print on heavyweight paper. Add your favorite mementos and place in the shadow box. What a wonderful way to remember special moments.